Thank you so much, sir. We'll open the forum for Q&A quickly for 5 minutes. Before that, we want to cover couple of things that we put on the site, so that it's easy for people to kind of go through various sections, right? Um,
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಿ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ
yeah,
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
please stay back. There is a Q&A after this where Kadir sir would be spending much more time, talking to you about the problems. As volunteer teams, we are not doctors and we are not, not even like 0.01% of his knowledge levels, right? So we won't be able to answer those questions. It's best to, answer the questions directly to him and get the answers from him directly. And to get such a kind of an opportunity, I mean, I went through for 3 months just to get his FaceTime and an interaction with him, how difficult it is, to get otherwise. And I mean, we are really fortunate. We are small in numbers. You really will have a personal time with him. So please stay back. We do have a Q&A. But before that, we'll just cover in 5 minutes, we'll cover what we put together on the site so that it can be our extended, awareness stuff, right? So, Bali, if you could. If you could show the picture. All right. So for, we started in my home to cure some critical illness, right? And I never wanted to get rid of my tummy. But what I want to say is, we were trying to fix something, at home. But you see my tummy, it used to be like bulging, right? My kid can nicely sit like a bean bag. It's vanished. You can't even see it, right? And this is after having a full meal, right? I had like 8 idlis in the morning, and then ambali, and then a juice, all of it, right? So you can eat a lot and stay, very fit, right? Then we'll go to the website. So sirijeevan.org is the website. There's no company or a organization, anything like that. It's just their volunteer force. We are just putting the material that in a structured way, nothing more than that, right? All the programs that would be available in Mumbai, as of now we are putting on the homepage. Sir has given a commitment that he would come here every alternate month and would send his daughter every alternate month. Because he's looking at this as the next wave, for the millet movement, right? So all the programs would be listed here, and then there is a tab called context tab. So there are series of lectures, like he gave a talk for 1.5 hours, right? So in continuation to this, there are like 4 more talks. So all of it was put together in the context tab. If you listen to it, the complete, his complete lecture, around 6 hours, you would get that, in the context tab, right? And then we got, his daughter who has internalized everything, and she is a gold medalist in homeopathy. I think, it's a Kadir Wali's product. So that's the statement I want to make. She's probably the best, in terms of knowledge. I literally learned a lot from her. So we did a 3-day program where we got out everything she has internalized, growing up with Kadir, right? So all that is available. It was a 3-day program, almost 12 hours of lecture is actually available here. If you go through this, from preparation to significance of the grain, to everything, you would get it. You just need to give that 16 hours, right? And then how to make the structure water, there's a video about it. How to make the charcoal powder, there's a video about it. How to make home-based cleaning solutions, using Rita, all that is available in the context tab, right? And also how all these oils, the ghani, oils are actually made, is also shown in those videos, right? And including palm jaggery, how it is made. So the context tab, probably it's like 25 to 30 hours of videos. But believe me, if you go through all that, you wouldn't have any questions whatsoever, right? So that's something that we put together. Then there is something called video log. So every single lecture of him, Kadarwali sir, is actually put together, the event and the video, right? Is put together in the vlog. And the channels section, if you so there are channels like who got motivated with Kadarwali sir's work, right? For example, there is a volunteer who actually answers 500 queries a day. After she's done the homework, she only spends clarifying doubts of people. She goes to the extent that if there is a problem, see this video from this minute to this minute. They do that thankless job. Why? Because the results are phenomenal, right? So 500 to 600 on a daily basis without a fail. If she has something to attend to, she would say like, I need to attend to this for 2 hours, I won't be available in the group. Can you imagine? That kind of work is happening. All whatever they want to kind of put, there are channels. We put together these channels, and the first channel, for example, the first channel is by Dr. Sarla ma'am itself. We have been talking about it, but they have been cooking it for last 20 years at home. So they have made so many varieties. So they are going to share all of it through this channel. So
Not me, only my daughter.
yeah. Yes, sir. So, and the recipe section, you have a quick starter guide on how to cook with these millets. That's available. And sir also sees, patients and how to get their appointments is there in the appointment section. Once in 2 months, his appointments are open. Those numbers can be called. He says like, you don't need to come to me because you really don't need. And I can actually vouch for it. For 4 months, I couldn't get his appointment. But by the time, I have seen the results at home already, right? So without seeing the doctor, curing yourself with the knowledge that is available for free, it's like miracle, right? So, and what is the other angle to it, right? This angle gave me hope. This is free. This is something that I could do, and I have seen the results. The other angle, I spent 25 lakhs. Every time I see the person who is treating, I only got a fear and nothing back. It's only fear and nothing back. This would happen, that would happen, this would happen, that would happen. And that night's sleep, you don't have it. Like, at a point I felt like, boy, I'm actually paying this so that they can do actually clinical trial, and I get the fear back. Wow, right? But if you still want to see doctor, his appointments are available, and his daughter's appointments are also available. How to call, how to get the appointments is covered here. In the protocol section, there are 41 diseases which you can cure just eating these millets and taking kashayas. That is listed down there. And there are 14 cancers which can be cured. That is also listed down in the protocol section. This you can download, print it, distribute it. No copyrights whatsoever, right? There are books available in the book section. So volunteers, have put together, the material in a concise form, and they put it in the books. Again, these are all free. You can download it and distribute it. If you want, like, get them printed at a very reasonable rate, you can get them printed and distribute as well, right? Then there is a section called programs, right? So what we do as volunteer team, we try to conduct 3 types of sessions. This is completely, with sir's time and ma'am's time. But we conduct 3 types of programs. One is an awareness session like this, along with Q&A, where 3 hours, people spend to kind of clarify doubts and get awareness about, millets. The second one is like 3-day Sirijivan program, where we discuss this lot more in detail, right? For example, you are like a doctor, you want to actually understand more about it. This is the perfect program for it, because we will only talk about science there, right? Why this works. And this program is not for profit,
As if I have not talked science.
Right. So, yes, sir. Sorry about it. It's all science, and I get that. Yeah. So the next one is the 2-day Jungle Krishi program, where the growing aspect of the millets, right, and the sustainability, angle of the millets, comes into focus. I guess that's what I wanted to clarify. One is on the health focused, and more on the growing aspect of it. Whenever the program is launched, they will be available here. You can sign up and come there, right? And then there are FAQs that we have put together. So almost all non-medical FAQs are here, right? How to cook, how to prepare structure water, everything is written here. And the benefits section, we've just put in, couple of things where, the slide talks about it all. Uh, if the water that is, given to Bihar to cultivate regular foods like rice and wheat is given, and we grow millets, we can actually feed two populous countries in the world, China and India, with millets, with one state water, right? You can go through those numbers. That's just one benefit. We keep talking about water crisis. What water crisis, right? So if you scroll up a little bit, Bali, there is a scroll up a little bit. So how we just did a little bit of math to see if we just eat these grains and consume the right oils, right, how much amount of money can actually go to a rural India if we manage to directly source it from them, right? It's actually close to 14 lakh crores. Just two products, eating right products, would empower our villages with 14 lakh crores. Just to let you know, before demonetization, our entire currency supply, I mean, I heard this, was close to that number. So, which means the printed money could go to villages. And would there be any farmer suicide, right? Would they need to come to, cities for any work, right? So, you can go through more cases like this. Bali, next one. If you can click on more. So there are testimonials of people who attended the programs and testimonials of people, who been on this journey. You can go through them and see, what is that people are getting benefited with, right? You can register for the programs through register tab. Through the register tab, Bali, just hang in there. Don't click on it. Just click on more and show all the options. Just that. Right, in explore section, we have, people ask like, where do I get these authentic sources, right? So wherever we could verify as volunteers, we put in those sources. We have no commercial tie with them. You can call them and get to nearest VRL transport or, whatever it is, right? And there are people who are actually sourcing it from them and reselling it. You can get to them as well. And there are farmers who are actually cultivating these. You can get in with them. What we recommend is like have a family farmer. The trust factor is most important. What I learned in this entire journey is that you should have a family farmer, not a family doctor. Right? So the farmers are list is here. Have a connect with them, spend time, make sure that the food doesn't touch another hand. To the extent, there are many things that can go bad if you just have one extra hand in between, right? So suppliers are the people who can supply millets. Restaurants is where they're serving millets. There's one in Mumbai as well. You can go to that. But we recommend you cook your food at home. Don't go to even millet restaurant. The chefs who are proficient with millets, and the press who is covering our programs. If you are if you got motivated about this and you want to take it to your organization, your company, your society, or your own groups, please come and register here. We'll get in touch with you, and then we can organize a program. Right? So this program actually happened like that. Sir and ma'am got in touch with us, and they pulled a program just like this. I'm extremely thankful for that, sir. Right? So then there's a resource section where this concept, it's just Kadravali sir actually explains it in well, you know, he connects all the dots. But there are other people who are actually focused on one point, and they're actually talking about it. So we put together all those videos as well and the content as well, so that it actually, when you listen to all that, it kind of helps connect the dots. So that thing is available in resources section. And references is like people ask, is there a paper on this? Is it published somewhere? If you just go to the references section, there are like 150 prominent newspaper articles, right? You name any paper, it is there. And there's millets reference there, and their benefits are referenced there. You can go through those if you want to validate anything. And gallery is like sir's pictures, and then about us talks about Kadravali sir, Sarla ma'am, and volunteer team. And if you still have questions, right, you can write to us on contact us. If you can click on about us section, Bali once. After this talk, if you can actually go here, there is we crossed limits of WhatsApp, so we are not on WhatsApp anymore. We are using Telegram. Telegram you can download using this link, and there is a group for Maharashtra, and there is a group for Mumbai, there is a group for Delhi, Calcutta, and Chennai, right? So you can join these groups, and volunteers like what I told, like the person answering 500 queries a day. They want to help others. If you have questions, you can reach out to, but don't call individual people, it's impossible. If you put the way they are organizing is like, every 2 hours, one person would kind of volunteer to cover the queries. So it's like that, right? I guess that's about it. Now we'll open the Q&A. Right? So the Q&A, the way we would do is we'll do the mics, right? And, I would request, how to cook, where to get these products, that you will be able to get it in the, website, and we'll be able to answer. But what we won't be able to answer is like if you have a particular disease, right? And you really need to talk to your doctor, and he's here. And this is an opportunity. Creating this experience itself is a very difficult task. So please make use of this time. Ask your toughest, health-related questions, and make use of this opportunity. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is a request from sir that he would like us to share our own journey with you guys before we get into a Q&A. So for me, the millet journey has started from Surya, wherein he introduced, I'm working for a financial firm, work for a corporate as a part of HR. He introduced us under the Life and Families Network, which we run in our office, that, Archana, why don't we have some awareness program on millet in our office? I said, okay, fine, let's explore it. And that's where the journey started. And after that, I think it's been last 10 months. I've been having the food, cooking at home, and till now, touch wood, no disease, no tablets, no medicines. And I've been really happy to share this experience that I've lost my 8 kg weight in last 7 months journey. And I'm a person who's like every small disease, like a viral infection, cold, cough, pop a pill and go back to your work. That's how the corporate life is, and life asks about from you. But since last 9 months, I haven't had a single tablet. And that's probably a success journey for me. And so thank you. Thanks, Surya, to you as well. Thanks to Sridhan as well.
That's what we are talking about.
Here we
Not
would like
having tablet, not go on losing weight. After 7 years, it will regulate. So don't think you will keep losing weight. Many people after 2 years, they again put on some weight so that you are balanced. So don't be under the impression, see, I am like this for the last 7, 8 years. I have been like this. So losing weight, gaining weight is not that important. It is how healthy you are. So morning I eat, I don't need to eat till the evening. And no point of time, not even a single second, you are tired. You are with energy. That's what I said. Get millets and get going.
Hello. I'm Meghna Shukla. I started my millet journey with Archana. We both had started 9 months ago when we had done a 3-day course with Dr. Sarla on millets. So from last 5 to 6 years, I was already not having wheat and rice. I had not left it completely, but I was not having wheat and rice at home. I was more on jwar, bajra, jai, and makka, and all those other millets. Neutral millets, not positive millets. But I felt that from last 3 years, I had started gaining weight. I was having all healthy food, cold pressed oils, organic vegetables, fruits, and whatever I could do for the purity of my food, I was doing. Cooking in mud pots, drinking water, and whatever you can do, I was doing. But I was not aware of positive millets. So when I did the course, till that time I had actually gained a lot of weight because of menopause. Maybe I was gaining weight, and I was like on border for diabetes and cholesterol, and I had battled hormonal imbalance for almost 35 years of my life. But after coming on positive millets, actually I started losing weight. I lost weight, and I became very my hormonal imbalance also disappeared, and I was getting cholesterol and like sugar, and like I was getting pre-diabetic and all. So that also became normal. Uh, and one more thing is my digestion was very, very delicate. So this year I realized that in rainy season I would used to feel like no bloating, and like my digestion was very delicate. But now I feel my digestion has also become very strong. Um, and also this year's winter, I felt that I was able to tolerate the winter very well. Thank you.
Yeah, coming to the winter part, I went to Cleveland. All the guys are there wearing all gloves and this and that, and I'm like this with this jubba. And Punjab, I went 2 months back. They were all wearing cold, very cold, and so I was just walking around, and people, young fellows, 30 years, 20 years, wearing sweaters. It's cold. It's cold. It's 2 degrees, 3 degrees. It's cold. For actually, I go to Vijayawada. It is 45 degrees centigrade. So the balance from within creates the balance. You become very easily adaptable to all kinds of weathers. So you don't need extra sweaters, extra gloves. In fact, I had gone once to the Sikkim and that Changu Lake or something like that. There also I went like this only. So it is from within you get that health. Health is always from within. So it's all gadgets are not necessary. In fact, we do have recordings of our sadhus and sadhakas in Himalayas. They just are wearing with a kaupina and running around. I mean, it speaks the health from within. So they know what they're doing. You are aware of yourself and prajna. And that is what we have lost in the modern day living. We are not aware of ourselves. That means we don't know what we are eating. We don't know when to shit, when to. We don't have any control. So if you regulate your stuff, everything becomes a conscious living. And then you can take it into further higher levels with meditation. And I didn't speak to you about all those aspects because they are irrelevant right now. First, I want you to become healthy bodily. Then the mind comes later. See, many people say they are going to meditate and do yoga, and you eat all this crap. You can do as much meditation as you want, as much as yoga you want, you are not going to be all right. And that's what is happening. All these yoga sessions and all this, it's all humbug. Unless your tummy is all, you sit, meditate, your tummy is going round and round. What do you meditate on? So it should be calm. So when you are calm inside, then you will reach higher levels of mind doing its own thing. So first everyone has to have, see, Sariram is the most important. Even for moksha, It is through this body only you get. You talk of mind, spirit, all that. But without the body, the spirit has no meaning. So the problem with all of us in India, in Eastern countries, we give too much importance to spirit. But spirit has no value if the body is not right. So don't underestimate the health of the physical body. And we have a very bad habit of not materialistic we are talking. But through material only you visualize all the great things. So don't underestimate material. If material is not important, God would not have created the world itself. There is no need for earth, no need for sun, no need for water. The Panchabhutas have come because we need to go back there. So don't underestimate. And this is the problem with all our sadhus, santas, and all the spiritual masters. Don't worry about matter. What nonsense are you talking? Through matter, things happen. So please be aware of matter. And that is the point. And how do we get the right matter? As our body requires. And that is what is the most important thing, which our ancestors have told very clearly. But of late, the yoga, all this become commercial. So people are concentrating on peripheral thing. But the real thing is here, the balance. And that lady found balance. It's because of the microbes. The microbial balance. And it is through Sushma. See, this big body is actually resting on that microbes. And that microbes are resting on the combination of these things. So it is going in through this inner and most inner. That's how you become nothing. See, what happens in your sleep? You become nothing. You are not even aware of what you are. That means all the nyunatas, it's called nyuna in Sanskrit. Nyuna, remove nyuna, you become sunya. And sunya is the ultimate paripurna. The wholeness is from zero. And zero is zero as well as paripurna. So all these issues come up little later. But first, let your tummy be balanced. And that's where it is. In fact, this Nabhi. And that's what has become our enemy now. In fact, that should be the most friendly thing. We should be in sync with us. And that's where the problems are. That's where the problems. Let it set us right. And that balance. And balance comes through these wonderful grains. And why? Because of their structure. And see, that's how we are connected. We are connected. Everything is connected. And to grow this, you don't need any natural resources. And that's how we preserve and conserve the environmental issues. We don't need water at all. Just 4 rains. The whole world can sustain. Not 7 billions. I can give food for 70 billions. 70 billions with just water enough to feed Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. That's all. The whole world can be fed. The whole world can be fed. See how much damage we are doing by choosing the wrong things. So the human race has been misled by this commercial and environmental issues are completely taken away from our focus. And they are the most important thing. If our environment is right, we will be all right. So you go on killing everything. You will kill yourself. That's what is happening. So before you take care of yourself, you have to take care of the outside living things. And you need to love them. Because of their existence, you exist. If there is a plant, lot of things exist. So you go on cutting just because real estate business. Oh, people tree, why do I need 50 by 50? This many crores. So remove people tree. Earlier our temples used to have people tree, bilpatra tree, this tree, that tree, all corners, different corners, Isanya, this tree. Because the wind flows from that side. So if you sit there, that wind alone carries the nanoparticles, you are getting balance. So all these studies are already there, written and thrown out, free. But we have no time. We need to do this. And this is where our existence is. We are part of nature, not cutting the nature. So let's think in those directions. That is a different dimension. First, let's get healthy by just eating these 5 grains, make ambali, simple things first. Then complicated things will fall in place and you don't feel lost. So if everyone corrects their kitchens and starts becoming healthy, then things will fall in place. And we have 42 of the list. In fact, it is actually almost 60 to 70 diseases are there, like BP, HIV, SLE, MND, muscular dystrophy, sclerosis, multiple sclerosis, all these so-called genetic disorders are also, many of the patients have become well, completely well actually. Like heartbeat coming down to 40 because of DMD. Now his heartbeat is 70 in a matter of 8 to 9 months. So, but don't expect things to happen tomorrow. But there is no other way. Gangrene patients, thousands of them have saved their legs, not coming to me, just following the protocols that are given in the book. And the book is free. You can just download it. And very simple language. We have got it in Hindi, we got it in Telugu, Kannada, English, and Marathi also there. I think someone is translating. So, and there is no copyright. Anyone can translate in any language, and please feel free to distribute. And you don't need to even take my permission. There is no need of permission. And I only hope you are generous enough to give it to poor people and everyone, whoever needs it. There is no rich and poor as far as disease is concerned. Everyone needs it. So that's why I tell, whether you are poor or rich, please take this, follow this. And in fact, I keep requesting people, if rich people are there, if so-called big fellows follow, the problem with our society is, if Mumbai does, then the Pune does. And Pune does, some other town does. You know, it's like following, we are following America. Oh, if the same fellow is in Mumbai, he goes to America and calls up the father, don't eat coconut, it has cholesterol. All at a sudden, coconut chutney is out. The same fellow, as he was here, he is eaten. He goes there and says coconut. And what do we eat? Olive oil is good. So now you go and start hunting for olive oil. And that's what has happened. And olive oil is bogus. But still we keep, because your son has told, because America is eating. America eats McDonald's, you have McDonald's all around. America eats burger, you eat burger. America eats strawberry ice cream, you eat strawberry ice cream. They eat donuts, you eat donuts. Why can't we make our sweets? With Sama and then our Niger seed oil and palm jaggery makes wonderful sweet. And you eat that sweet, all your hormonal imbalances will disappear in 6 weeks. So for women, you have all imbalances of hormones, this menstrual cycles, and that so-called post, that 45, 50 years, menopause, PMS, DMS, you know, some names, all these acronyms, all that kinds of things. All that will disappear. You make wonderful sweet with little millet, Niger seed oil, and palm jaggery. You can go nuts. You can make all kinds of sweets, different kinds of sweets. Whatever you make with these 3 things. And don't keep adding kismis, badam, dry fruits. All dry fruits is bogus. You are only getting chemicals, nothing else. So if you have fresh things, you take. So you take fresh jackfruit, grind it, add to your paisam. Fantastic flavor you will get. So be creative. In fact, when we have mangoes, of course I have a small piece of land where we have lot of things. In fact, all are welcome. You can come and visit our land. We have made sustainable agricultural plot. Within 7 acres, we have around 480 things, 80 varieties of plants are there. And we grow 30 food materials that we eat. We grow all the millets and then oil seeds, groundnuts, sesame seed, Niger seed, all these kinds of things we grow in just when it rains, one season. And then we eat throughout the year, and different kinds of vegetables, and no water, required just rainy water, that's all we require. And we do the agriculture, we grow 30 kinds of things, and chiku, sitapal, guava, papaya, all kinds of fruits are there. And so that fresh, so when we have chiku, we make, grind the chiku, add with, chiku is sapota, and with woodalo, barnyard, especially it's great for this dialysis fellows. So you can add the toddy or called palm jaggery. You can make sweet. If you don't like sweet, get chilies, red chilies or green chilies or pepper. We also have pepper. So all these wonderful things give you immediate, within 6 weeks you see the transformation. I'm not talking about being all right. I'm talking about being well. You feel so good about it. So good that you start getting good sleep and your moods change, and you know, you are not angry anymore. Though I am angry, I am not angry actually. Because I keep traveling, talk. My wife keeps telling me, you are a mad fellow. I said, if this is being mad, I want all the people to be mad. And that's my wish. Because you have to have that energy. No, I started, yesterday morning I started seeing patients. 120 patients I have seen at 6:40. My daughter was attending to some more. I ran, sat and got into the flight, waited till 3:30. I got down, he received me. I had 3 or 4 hours of sleep. Now again another, and it goes on and on. It has been going on for the last 10 years. I go back on Tuesday morning at 1 o'clock, again 100 patients are waiting. Till Saturday it continues. Again I take a flight, run around, or take a car and drive. In Karnataka we did more than 1,500 sessions. Village to village, village to village. I used to drive myself and go. Nowadays I have to come because too far, take flight, wait in the airports. I hate waiting in the airport, but God is a very funny fellow. He says, no, you got to wait in the airports. I've been waiting in the airports for the last 3-4 years, hours together, 3 to 4 hours. And luckily or funnily, that's where I am getting rest. But off late, that is also been stolen because lot of people are coming, and then I have to give lectures in the airport while waiting. 20, 30 fellows come and, sir, selfie, sir, this, sir, that. That's okay, I'm actually happy. But I do need some rest, you think. But millets, that's what makes things happen. That's why I keep telling, get millets, get going. And you can do anything you want. You can still go and do your share business, nothing to worry. Doesn't matter what you do, I want you to be healthy. See, that is more important. See, what we do, it is irrelevant. But how you do, you should enjoy doing it. And that is the point. And that is what is health. That is what is health. But all of us are consumed by money, and we are suppressing all the other things. And that is the inflatedness. And that's why I called, we are all living in inflation. Because we are all consumed by the money. Nothing else is. So we gobble up a tablet and then think we are okay. We are postponing the troubles. One trouble transforms himself into other trouble. And that's not scientific. And that's not wise. Please ask questions. Of course, I have been answering many questions of yours by blabbering like this.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. We'll start the Q&A. First, we'll start from this side. The first five rows will ask the questions. Then the next 5 rows. Then the left side will ask the sir. Okay. And this is not about anything how to cook, where do you get millets or what. It's about your medical problems. If you have anything, sir will give you explanation.